My name is Kenji Sugahara. I am the Director of the Oregon Department of Aviation. The question is, how will drones change enterprise data strategy? Drones will definitely change your data strategy, especially if you're working in a government environment, because all that data that is acquired is for the public record. On the flip side, with private industry, there will be increasing data storage requirements, especially under Part 108 in the proposed rule that it is. What it proposes under Part 108 is data retention. So there will be data retention requirements. So not only for flight data, but you're also talking about personnel data. You're also talking about training data. You're talking about maintenance data. So there's going to have to be a comprehensive data management strategy, or you could look at potentially software vendors out there that will be covering this. But from an internal data security standpoint, you have to take into account that this data will have to be reported to the manufacturer or the FAA. So there's a lot of proprietary information that you probably have. So if you do not want that data out there, make sure you comment on the Notice of Proposed Rulemaking for Part 108, because it's going to be very, 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 very important that you do, especially coming from a data security standpoint.